Today on Cooking with Chef Fred, we're going to make this wonderful strawberry cake. It is so soft and full of strawberries. We're using fresh strawberries that we got at the store, and this is going to be so delicious. Hi, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, where I teach you the best tips and skills for everyday cooking that you can share with your family and friends. Now, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so that you can be alerted to all new videos. So let's get into today's recipe. So the first thing we got to do is we got to take the strawberries and we've got to puree them. So I'm going to dump them into my food processor here. Few got out the tried to escape. Okay, so we're going to put this in our food processor. Okay, now we're going to take this out of the food processor and put it in a pot where we have to cook it down to half the size that it is now to make the puree for the cake. So I'm going to do that now. So we've got it in our pot now. We're going to let this come to a boil and let it reduce till half the size that we need. So I have a cup of butter and I'm going to cream the cup of butter first. Get it mixed up in there nicely before I add the sugar. Now our butter is creamed, I'm going to add in our 3 cups of sugar. I'm going to add half and let it start mixing. And then once that gets creamed together, I'll add the other half. Okay, I added the last part of the sugar. And we're going to let this cream together for about 5 minutes. Now I've got this nice and creamed, I'm going to begin to add my eggs. We're going to add them one at a time and let them mix. Okay, I'm adding my 5th egg now, and then I'm going to let this mix for a few minutes. Okay, now we're going to add our 1 cup of buttermilk. And we're going to let that mix. Next, we're adding in our half cup of strawberry puree. And we're going to let that mix. Okay, next we're adding our pack of strawberry Jello. And you guessed it, we mix. Next is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. To add our dry ingredients, we're going to add those in thirds. We're going to do a third, and then we'll do another third. Okie dokie, now we've got everything in there nice and mixed, and we're going to pour it into our cake pan. Okay, and now we go into our cake pan.
There's enough for all 3 of you, right, Emily?
Yes, there's a lot.
Okay,
You
as
have
long as
to
everybody gets it all.
Excuse the extra noise, everybody's at home today. You can put a paper towel in there while you're pouring this to keep that from happening, but I forgot. Okay, now we're going to get this into our 325-degree oven for 70 minutes. Okay guys, here's the pound cake that's finished. It come out of the oven. It looks gorgeous. So let's take a bite. I want you to see how tender and how moist this cake is. Let's get a little bit of whipped cream. And let's get a bite. Oh yeah. You immediately get that strawberry punch. I mean punch like strawberry flavor. It is so very good, delicious. It's moist. It's got good crumb to it. It is a very, very good cake. And this is a very easy cake to make. So go and make this cake today. Make something great. This is Chef Fred saying thanks for joining me on this video. Appreciate you watching and spending time with me today. We love you, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.